Ufunanda.
All right, awuzungene namphaka
We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Kaizer Chiefs won. Mamelodi Sundowns won. This video is brought to you by Facility Security Services. Mfowethu igama uthini ngomdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, baba mntu ngegama nguCharles Sibongo nguTindi. There's a lot that we learn on today's games. I think it was two big giants. I got respect for the coach.
Which coach?
The Cruz.
Yeah.
He brought something to the team.
Yes.
It's first time I see Kaizer Chiefs playing this touch football, touch and go.
Yeah.
Again, you look. I want to address this matter of people saying players when I come to Kaizer Chiefs they're gonna lose value.
Yeah.
There is no player that can lose value by Kaizer
Chiefs is a big team.
You look at Munyane, did he lose his value? No, he can't. You look at Peterson, did he lose his value? No. You look at Batman, did he lose his value? No. You look at Maboy, did he lose his value? No. So this nonsense of saying when players move over to Kaizer Chiefs they're gonna lose value, there's no such like that. And if you look at this Kaizer Chiefs that plays displayed today, for me, I always say we play mathematical football.
Yes.
We play a denominator as a numerator. Whatever we were doing on the left, we were doing in the right.
Yeah.
It's the first time you see the best double pivot for Kaizer Chiefs. When you look at Maboy, when he plays as an orchestrator, you when I'm seeing playing more as a CDM.
Yes.
When you look at our wing, we have your ox.
Yeah.
Your ox ball recovery rate spot on to the T.
Yeah.
I don't know what is there to blame because we play against the big giants. They don't have two stuff for nothing.
Yeah.
But we have a combination. But it was good for our coach. Give Mamelodi Sundowns a fake respect.
Yeah.
First half we gave Mamelodi Sundowns a fake respect. Then when you come for a second half, we play our ball. It was so good for me. The approach was good. And give credit to the coach. He came to the team. He never when he came to the team and said I'm building. He came and said whatever that is on the team, I want to compete. When I use it, and I want to compete what is on the team.
Yes.
You look at your Langeli Shapiri as an orchestrator. You look at your right. When you put Fundo Vulagazi as a prolific winger. We got what it takes. Remember what I want to tell you again. Our players is not just one player. Our players are dual certified. What do I mean about dual certified? They can play double positions. They cannot only play one position. So every time you sign one, you sign the two.
Like Batman. He plays as a 9. He plays as a winger. He plays as a 10.
And I like the fact of Batman when he started as a 10 and finish it as a 9.
Yeah.
Over to you, Mtu.
Siyabonga baba.